Hi, and welcome to Section 8 of scikit-learn recipes. In this section, we are going to take a look at neural networks. We're going to introduce neural network, then build a perceptron classifier. Then we're going to build a multi-layer perceptron using scikit-learn, and then we're going to use a model building ensemble technique called stacking. We're going to introduce neural network. So, what are neural networks? Neural networks are what most people think about when they think about AI. They are modeled loosely after the human brain. They're very hyped, they're very powerful, and they're very easy to execute. If you look over here in 2018, deep learning, which uses neural networks, is on the top of the hype cycle by Gartner. So it's a super hype technology. It is what everyone thinks about when they think about AI, and neural networks have been very popular in Kaggle and other competitions, and they are very widely used for a whole host of problem-solving applications. Neural network is both an unsupervised and a supervised learning algorithm. You can use neural networks to cluster unlabeled data according to similarities among the inputs. You can use neural networks to classify and do a regression on a labeled dataset. Some supervised learning cases where neural networks are used are to detect faces, detect objects in images, customer churn prediction, etc. Some unsupervised learning cases where neural networks are used are to cluster documents, images, etc. So neural networks are just very powerful. The algorithms that are built in scikit-learn and in other libraries are very easy to use, and it is one of the best techniques of AI. And especially if you are looking to not really understand how the model works, because neural networks are a black box algorithm.